As you come up the stairs, this is the new office. So when you come in, you see there's Indiana laying there, happy, some bookshelves. Obviously my favorite book chair, picture of, yes, Barnaby reflected in the window, but it's James Lumber's painting of Hemingway, the sun never set, as a ghost with his cats that look remarkably like Atticus and Meredith. Got the corner. Speaking of Atticus, this is the sign Liz made for me, Danger Author at Work, which was on the door. Atticus dropped it over, and the two of the R and the K fell off of it. So I'm an author at war. Some comic books and magazines, etc. filed in there. Corktown, which is where I lived in Hamilton. One of the Barnabys broken. His head fell off, of course. He's looking out the window. And then this is the supply closet where I have all my office supplies, and some of the files, writing files, etc. are here, as well as in the other filing cabinet in the corner. Beautiful sign, the writer is in. And here I have books that are sort of non-fiction paranormal books on the top few shelves. And I have some horror and ghost stories. And the very bottom shelf and a half are basically signed books, non-fiction signed books from authors. So coming around the corner, there's Maya in the corner chewing on her paw, as she often does. We have the other Barnaby with no legs hanging in this window. Some more bookshelves, which include a combination of signed novels, as well as my vanity shelf, a shelf and a half of books I've been published in or books that are mine. Atticus has just come in to say hi, and so we can now look at the standing desk that Liz made for me. And this is shelves, again, either works in progress or things I need to keep within easy reach, notepads, etc. Got my coffee and my beer coasters, and then the laptop is up here. Microphone setup, etc. Down here, more comic books that are just stored here because they're kind of hidden and out of the way. And we've got the wall where I've got the important things on the wall here with the whiteboard. Some of the things blocked off because they may be important or proprietary. And the desk, which again is a work in progress. So this is just when I need to sit down, it's my other laptop. I can sit there, I can move this laptop down, and then I've got that chair. And this other bar stool is one that I will occasionally prop myself up at when I'm sitting at the desk. So that is just a quick overview of the office. Hope you enjoyed it.